Hello everyone. Today we will be studying about how to derive formula for area of circle. Okay. So for that we will see circle. If you will see this circle and if you divide this circle into 22 equal parts. Here if you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 as like 22 equal parts. Okay, and then cut it into half. Keep half part aside and keep half part aside. So it will form like this. Yes, it will form a rectangle. So can I say the area of this circle is equal to the area of the rectangle? Right? I can say this. So the area of this circle can be found by the area of the rectangle having length is equals to the circumference. If I say, see, all the length of the circumference, if you see circumference, so this is circumference is the length here of the rectangle, and the radius of the circle is the breadth. Radius is the breadth of the rectangle. This was the radius, and this radius is breadth of the rectangle, and the circumference is the length of the rectangle now. Right? So I can write area of circle is equals to area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth. So if I want to find the length of the rectangle, so length of the rectangle, both the length of the rectangle, this length and this length, so this was the circle. Okay, this is the circumference of circle and this will turn into rectangle. So the circumference of the circle is the length of the rectangle. So that is circumference. We already know circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. Okay, so the length of the rectangle will be 2 pi r. But there are two length, one length and two length. So whole circle's circumference is 2 pi r. So both will be 2 pi r. So if I want one length of the rectangle, one length, so this will be pi r and pi r. So this length will be pi r, this length will be pi r. So circumference, and then one length of the rectangle will be circumference of semicircle. If you say half circumference of the circle, so this will be pi r. Then breadth of the rectangle will be radius of the circle. As I told you, this will be the radius and this is the breadth. We have already seen in the rectangle. Yes, okay. So breadth of the rectangle is the radius of the circle, that is r. So now I can find again area of circle is equal to area of rectangle. Area of rectangle is equals to length into breadth, and what we found length is pi r, and what is the breadth of the rectangle is the radius of circle, that is r. So pi r into r, at the place of breadth it will be r, radius. So now pi r into r will be pi r square. So area of circle will be pi r square.